I'm a money magnet, draped in designer, I stay high fashion. Kiss you bougie, know I'm high maintenance.
What's up with it, y'all? It's Big Boss. I am so glad y'all are here today. In today's video, I am talking about the DUA brand, right? That's a cologne brand that I am just now getting familiar with. I got 4 fragrances right in front of me that I want to talk about. This is one of them lines where a lot of their fragrances are inspired by some of the dopest fragrances that's been out. And in my opinion, the reason why I'm doing this video is because these fragrances rivals and are equal, sometimes better than their counterpart. So that's why I'm doing this video right now. So let's talk about the first one, okay? The first one is called Poseidon's Absolute Savage Elixir, right? This fragrance is a hybrid between Creed Aventus Absolute and Dior Sauvage Elixir, okay? This is what the bottle looks like. I love the design. Now that's one thing I do want to talk about when it comes to the DUA brand. All of their bottles have this cover art type design to their bottles that is something that I normally never see in a cologne bottle. Normally cologne bottles are more ordinary and plain, you know what I mean, with minimalistic writing on it. They are never detailed like this. Now, when it comes to this Absolute Sauvage Elixir, let me tell you about the notes they got inside this fragrance. They got bergamot, lemon, black currant, nutmeg, grapefruit, ginger, lavender, licorice, pineapple, patchouli, pink pepper, cardamom, cinnamon, Haitian vetiver, cassia, wood, you know what I mean, sandalwood, amber, lavender, ambroxan, patchouli, musk, and oak moss. Now check this out. I didn't have to read all them notes out, but because it was so many, I just thought it was gonna be funny to kind of tell y'all every single note inside this fragrance. Now, what does it smell like? This is a warm, woody, slightly sweet and spicy fragrance. This is a date night scent. You wear this fragrance when you're taking your young lady out to a beautiful, nice dinner, when you want to treat her nice, when you meet a young lady at, you know what I'm saying, a grocery store, church, wherever you meet these girls at. You meet her, you courting her, and if you want to smell good and you want her to look at you like, damn, look at his car. You got the car washed, clothes is ironed, they're washed all neat and pressed, skin looking clear. You took your shower, you've been drinking your water, brush your teeth. Everything is lining up. When you add this scent on top of it, it's damn near like the cherry on top. Okay, I be trying to tell you guys, you're not gonna get a lot of compliments with the fragrances alone. You gotta take care of your whole body, okay? The fragrance is damn near like the accessory, okay? It's the diamond chain, it's the gold Rolex, it's the Ferrari. This complements everything, okay? This fragrance lasts a long time as well. You're gonna get to like 8 to 10 hours with this fragrance. I love it. And with this little sweater I got on, I think I'm gonna wear it today. Oh man, that's good. Ooh, another thing I want to tell you. These fragrances that I want to talk about today, they range from like $33 to like $60. The DUA brand is not charging y'all an arm and a leg for these fragrances. That's what I'm realizing. Also, I went on their website and I grabbed a little code that was on their website and I put it in the description so you can get 30% off all your orders. I'm supporting them because they support my pockets, you feel me? They smelling good, making me smell good, and they don't cost that much. Gotta tell my homeboys about it. All right, so the next fragrance I want to talk about is this fragrance by them as well. This is called Set Your Flames X. Oh, another thing, they use around 40% fragrance oil in all their fragrances. All their fragrances are extract de parfum. So you know how in the fragrance world, we got eau de toilette, we got eau de parfum, we got parfum, and then we got elixirs. Okay, well, this is over elixir. This is like the king of kings when it comes to concentrations. This is damn near like an oil. but it's a little spray as well. This is called Sector Flames. And this is what the bottle look like right here. Now, this fragrance inspiration was by Fan Your Flames X by Nishine. You know what I mean? Hopefully I didn't butcher their name. But this fragrance right here is great. Okay, now this is like, kind of reminds me of By the Fireplace by Mason Margiela because of how woody it is. This is like a burnt amber woody fragrance. Rummy as well, okay? Like a marshmallow, sweet, it's sexy. Now, also, this fragrance is really mature. A lot of you guys out there, y'all need y'all mature fragrances, okay? Y'all don't need them fragrances always smelling real youthful, like you playing games. If you want a fragrance that's very sophisticated, that's lumberjack-esque, like a dude with a beard, lumberjack, just manly, stoic. You come in there to handle business and you probably got a wife at home and like 7 kids. That's kind of what this fragrance reminds me of. Okay, it got rum in it, it got coconut in it. Okay, it has tobacco, it has carrots. Usually I never smell carrots inside a fragrance, but it has this like little light carrot tone. They also got tonka bean, thyme, patchouli, oak moss, and cedar wood inside this fragrance as well. I like it, and it's also unisex. So anybody can go pick this fragrance up, from men to women, and you know, everybody in between. Okay, let's move on to the next fragrance. The next fragrance I want to talk about is called Chilling by the Pacific. Now this fragrance right here is like probably like one of my favorites based on how unique it smells. Y'all hear me keep talking about this, but this smells like a Sprite. This is also inspired by Pacific Chill by Louis Vuitton. Okay, great scent. I love it. It smells great. Now, this fragrance is very aromatic and fruity, okay? So you getting that orange in there, okay? That orange, that lemon, that mint, that black currant, that coriander, that apricot. Whew, you getting some of that coconut, that carrot seeds, man. This is great. And it has dates and figs in it. They did their thing with this fragrance. This is one of my favorite. I feel like you should go pick this up. Sierra Mist in the bottle. Lastly but not least, this is the most craziest one. This is called Cocoa Milk Treat. Bro, this smells exactly like what they said it smells. It smells like cocoa milk treat, okay, which is like a cookie milk based, okay. Think of like a chocolate cookie, like it's just like it's like a chocolate covered cookie. Yeah, you just dipping in some milk, kind of like an Oreo a little bit, but I can't say Oreo. It's more like a chocolate chip cookie or like s'mores. Okay, just know this smells like s'mores and milk, like a creamy, milky s'mores cookie smell and fragrance. Never smelled anything like this. This is very unique. And also, this is a DUA brand, unique, original fragrance. So this isn't inspired by anybody. So that's why I kind of want to tell y'all too, that this brand also makes unique fragrances. They got their own little thing going on. And when they made this, they just knew, like, hey, we finna show them something different. I like this scent. I like it. It's very unique. I feel like this is also a good layering agent to another, like, more date night scent. Like, imagine you mix some 1 million Privé with this chocolate milky. I just feel like, man, that'd be crazy. Or Zara the Most Wanted. Okay, when it comes to the notes inside here, we're talking about chocolate, caramel, tonka bean, vanilla, milky notes, amber, musk. This is a unisex fragrance. You can find it for $30. I like it, okay? So there we go, y'all. This is my 4 DUA brands fragrances I have right now. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pick up some more. You're gonna see me keep collecting them like the Yu-Gi-Oh cards or Pokemon cards. I really appreciate this brand for even striking my interest, because I usually don't pay attention to new fragrance brands. But like I said, I love y'all as well for going in the comments and keep commenting me about this brand. Y'all kept telling me, Chris, get this brand, check it out. I'm checking it out, okay? And like I said, it's a code in the link in the description, so you guys can go pick up these fragrances and get 30% off. That's a good deal, okay? I love y'all so much for watching. Y'all take it easy. I'm Big Boss. DUA brand. I'm out.